बहादुरपुरा से मजलिस के रुकन असेंबली मोहम्मद मौजम खान की सेहत के मुतालिक ओलिव हॉस्पिटल की जानिब से बयान जारी किया गया है। बता दें कि हार्ट अटैक के बाद मोहम्मद मौजम खान को ओलिव अस्पताल में भर्ती कराया गया था और अब उनके इलाज के बाद उनकी हालत मुस्तहकम बताई गई है। इस सिलसिले में ओलिव अस्पताल के डॉक्टर्स ने तफसीली जानकारी दी और दावा किया कि मोहम्मद मौजम खान की हालत अब बहुत बेहतर है, उन्हें कल तक डिस्चार्ज भी कर दिया जाएगा।
Hello, I'm Dr. Revan Jaiswal. I'm the head of the emergency medicine department at Olive Hospitals, Hyderabad. We had pre-arrival information about Mr. Mozam Khan, MLA Bahadurpura, that he had some very minor symptoms before coming to the hospital. This was passed on to us through his family doctor, who happens to be a friend of ours. Patient was brought into the emergency department complaining of burning sensation along chest with chest pain. We took an ECG within 2 to 3 minutes of his arrival, which showed very typical symptoms, which showed very typical findings of a heart attack. So the initial treatment and stabilization was done in the emergency medicine department, and the diagnosis was disclosed to the family. The family took 10 to 15 minutes to observe what is happening with the patient. Then we involved the cardiologist at the earliest. We informed the cath lab, and the patient was being monitored continuously hemodynamically, and we were talking to the patient continuously throughout his stay in the emergency department. The patient was shifted to the cath lab in 30 minutes. Normally, the international standards of shifting the patient from entry to the hospital to cath lab should be kept less than 90 minutes, but we did it in less than 30 minutes. So the patient was stable throughout, and patient was handed over to the cardiology department within 30 to 35 minutes of his arrival to the hospital.
Good afternoon. This is Dr. Muhammad Asif, consultant cardiologist from Olive Hospital. We want to communicate regarding the MLA sahab who is admitted here. Okay. So, Bahadurpura MIM sitting MLA sahab, Mr. Muhammad Muazzam Khan sahab, he came to emergency on 20th evening 8:10 p.m. Emergency team evaluated him. Emergency medicine was given. After stabilization, he was shifted to cath lab, where a primary angioplasty, first angiogram was done. It was found that his one artery was blocked 100%. We opened the artery. After placing two stents, the flow was good and there is no any complications during the procedure, and everything was smoothly done. After the procedure, his pain was relieved completely and he was kept under ICU under critical care team under the Dr. Bansal sir, where he was observed for 24 hours without any complications. Now his condition is stable and we are planning to shift him to room by 2 o'clock. Inshallah by tomorrow we are planning to discharge him.
मैं डॉक्टर बंसल, मेडिकल डायरेक्टर ऑलिव हॉस्पिटल। जैसे कि हमारे कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट आपको बोल चुके हैं कि एमएलए साहब मौजम खान साहब जिनको हार्ट अटैक आया था, उनका पूरा ट्रीटमेंट हो गया है, स्टेंट डाल दिए हैं, उनका कंडीशन बिल्कुल स्टेबल है, अभी एकदम कॉन्शियस है, सब उनके वाइटल्स पूरे स्टेबल है। अभी वो आईसीयू में है, तो कल तक सब ठीक है तो उनको रूम में शिफ्ट करेंगे और बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से कल उनका फिर से असेसमेंट करके अगर वो पूरी तरह से फिट है तो कल उनको डिस्चार्ज भी कर सकते हैं।
A very good afternoon, everyone. This is Akash Hussain, Chief Operating Officer, Olive Hospitals. I'd just like to say a few words about our team of doctors who have been doing a wonderful job here, and what was the treatment which was given to our Honorable MLA, Mr. Mozam Khan Sahab, is something which is actually done for every other patient. So I think I'd like to appreciate the efforts of our emergency physician and the department, Dr. Revan Jaiswal, who is the head, for laying down such strict guidelines and protocols which make sure that each and every patient who comes into the hospital is given the best of care. And in such emergency situation, it's important that we do it very, very quickly. So I think it was the unity and teamwork of our doctors which has managed to give us very good results. And as far as his condition goes, I think the doctors have already told that it's very, very stable, and the rumors are very unfounded and untrue. And hopefully, by God's grace, if everything goes fine, we should be able to discharge him by tomorrow. And another word just I'd like to say, talk about all the doctors over the world who have been working tirelessly, and I'd like to appreciate all their efforts, and hopefully everyone keeps safe.